Simple, succulent, and colourful. Indulge in rich, umami, tender meat and fresh vegetables. A handful of bold flavours. The first step is to grate the carrots. After you're done with the 2 carrots, thinly slice the pea pods and spring onion. In a small bowl, combine the mayonnaise and sriracha. Then set aside. Combine the beef strips with the sweet soy seasoning and a splash of olive oil in a medium bowl. Now heat some olive oil in a large frying pan. Once hot, cook the beef until browned. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan to prevent the beef from becoming watery. Add the honey and soy sauce. Stir to coat and cook for another minute before removing from the heat. Toss the shredded cabbage mix, carrot, a drizzle of vinegar, and sesame oil in another bowl. Now warm up your tortillas until they're soft. Spread some sriracha mayo over each tortilla, then top with the slaw pods and sticky sweet soy beef. Garnish it with a dollop of sriracha mayo and sprinkle the spring onion. Now get your hands on this tasty finger food and enjoy every bite.